So welcome to another programming workout. 5 minutes of typing, 25 minutes of Java, and we are doing threads today. So last I had a 6% of typos, which is nice for me. I'm improving a lot lately. Like a few days ago I was doing between 10 and 20%. So let's get into it. You know what? I'll reload this. What the hell? What the hell? %, okay. Might not be the best, it kind of felt nice. 8%, nice. Nice, and we are over the time limit for the typing, so we will go into the Java. Let's go. So, what we are doing here, and I will not look, so the correct way to do our thread is to first have our class which implements the runnable thing that will force us to implement run, right? So I will do that, and this will be class my thread extends runnable. Right, and then we need to implement the methods, which is the run in this case, and here I will just say this thread did run like so, and that will be it. There's still some problem. No interface expected here. Oh, yeah, it should be implements. Thank you. And here now we will create a new instance of thread. This is the weird thing. New thread. Right, and here it wants two things, and it will be the runnable target and then the string name. So we have our thing which implements the runnable, right? So do I want to provide it like a new instance or just reference to it? Well, we will the instance I would think. So I do a new my thread. We'll do that. Okay. Now if I go here, so I put in the my thread, and the name will be name of my thread, and extract that, so it will be just thread. Now if we have this, I can actually call start method on it. So I do thread.start, and that should start the thing. So I'll do that, and the thread did run. Do I have this dot? So we have toString clone. Probably cannot get the name from here. It doesn't matter. So what I want now? Can I somehow customize this? Because maybe I don't want this icons in here. I would like only this thing. Oh, I can fix that later. So I did run it. What What is the name good for? I don't know. So we did do that, then thread is created. You can start it by calling start method. So here's the example. Okay, so this takes a name. Okay, I can do that as well. We have to thread 1, thread 2. Okay, so I see what he did here. So here's the run. He will input it 4 times. Thread name, and then he outputs the number. And he's using thread sleep for, that would be milliseconds, I guess. And interrupted. I have to maybe for the sleep implement that. And then exiting. Then oh, he implemented start too, which is weird. Starting thread name. If this equals no, that is this thread. New thread. Start okay. Interesting. So he creates the thread in here, and then he starts it. Okay, so I see, and this start is because it might be already running. I see. So this is nicer because I don't have to create in the main the thread instance. So I like that. So we will do that. So this will be run. Also, we will have a thread T, and then we will have the name, so which will be string name, like so. Then we will implement the constructor using this field, the name field. Okay, so we have that. Now we will implement. I want to implement the. Okay, so the start method. So override. No, it's not here. It's not here. The start method. Interesting. And I don't want the toString, so I will do public void run start, like so, and here we will print out that we are starting. It will be red plus name, or we should say this dot name. Start thing. Right. Then you'll have here the condition if this dot t equals to null, and I should use the Yoda style, which will be maybe hold on. This dot t insert equals null. And I can flip it. Here we go. Do we have the null check right now? Like if n, yeah. So this dot t equals null, yeah, and then I do flip this. Okay, that's cool. So we will create a new thread. So we will create if t equals 0, so we will create a new thread. This, and here we will have this dot name, and extract that, the thread, and then we say no, delete. Like so, this, or come on, escape, insert this dot t, this is what I want. Oh, and then I can do this dot t dot start. Okay. Okay, good. So we have that. Then in the run, we will do the printing out. So we can change this and say thread as this dot name. Yes, link. And then we will print out a few times. I think we will do it. 4 times is fine. And we will do print out. Say print this dot name. And space and plus I, like so. Here we will have a sleeping. Red does sleep, and we will sleep for 100 milliseconds. And we have a problem here. Yeah, so this I don't want anymore. Like that. And this one, we have an unhandled exception, so we will surround it with try catch. And maybe I want this to move outside. And maybe this too, like so. Here we go. So we will print out a few times those things, and then we will say that we are exiting. Red. This dot name is exiting. Okay. Now I want here we will create two threads, two my threads. So new my thread first, and then yes, first, and then I can duplicate it and I can replace, which is just no. This slash this as first, replace with second GC. This is the way you do it. How did I? I don't know how to do replacing them. I did search for it multiple times. It is S slash. Okay, now I see. Okay, good. So colon S. Oh well, how was it? %s. So it is this as first, second, GC, enter. No, yes. Okay, and then I can do first dot start and second dot start, like so. Okay, now I can run it. That's cool. Also, I want to go here, create a space. How do I insert one character? Does not natively exist. Okay, so in that case, fuck it. What is this? Moving to the beginning of the line. Okay, how to move screen without just the ZZ. And we are here. if I run it now, it might be a little bit nicer. And it does 0, 1, 2, 3, yep. Good. And they kinda run at the same time. Okay, so we now mastered the art of creating threads. And we have another way how to do it. And that is by extending the aThread class. So thread class using the following two simple steps. This approach provides more flexibility in handling multiple threads created using available methods in thread class. You need to override run method. This method provides an entry, blah blah. Step 2. Once thread object is created, you can start it with calling start method, which executes a call to run method following a simple syntax. And this is the same thing in here. Okay, so I can do that. Yeah, so I will create my class my red wait, my extended thread. Extends the red and we will override run and here I will create field name, so I will be string name, and we want constructor with choose a superclass constructor. Ah, there is such a thing, huh? Super name. What he did. Ref. Why did he create that? Why did he create that? Why does he have the private thread again? Okay, I previously missed that it was thread private. I mean, I don't think you need. You need to extend that. So I'll do it my way. So string name. Also, I'm curious. Okay, I could do this. Go to definition, and here, what do we have here? New scope thread. This constructor has the same effect as thread group variable string thread. this. Okay, so what is the name? Why do we have it there? Groove target name, the name of the thread. Okay, so maybe I can do just that. I don't have to have my own field. If it has a name already. So we'll delete this. Oh fuck, what happened? Dun 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 dun. Here it is. Okay, cool. So we created that with a name. Then we have the run method. And here I want to create the same thing as we did in the previous, and that will conclude this session. Da, da, da. Okay, so we want that the thread plus this dot name plus this running, and we will do 5 times output. Sorry. For oh fuck. Never mind. Here 5 times. We will output red this name. And here we will say space plus I. Here we go. Then we say red dot sleep 100 milliseconds. We will surround it. Oh, this is fine. Escape and then surround. Now we are left. What is left to do is to create the so we new my extended thread name will be extended one T1 this and the replacement was this and this as goes 1 to 2 GC enter no yes here we go and we will run it go et1 dot start et2 start okay and run it. Now oh, I see. This will be super. Doesn't work. It's private access. Okay, fuck that. So we will have a here we go. Escape, PD. And there was like undo online, I think, in Vim. Vim undo online. Okay, that's not what I want. Okay, now when I run it, it should be okay. Cool. And we are way over the time limit, which means we are done. Done is better than perfect. And I'll see you next time.